Hey guys, it's Ben here from Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig ready Rams, and now we buy a Ram. Today we're looking at a fantastic trade-in that just landed on our lot. It's a 2019 GMC Canyon SLT. Let's go take a look. Front of the truck here, you will notice all the way down here, it does have your exposed tow hooks, as well as these very nice fog lights and headlights. And under the hood, it does feature the 3.6 liter V6. Along the side of the vehicle here, you will notice it does have these nice chrome 18-inch rims, as well as chrome matched mirrors and handles. Back of the truck here, you will notice it does have your trailer hook, as well as 4 and 7 pin trailer plugs. This one does come with the built-in steps inside of the back bumper here, as well as these very nice park sensors, as you can see as well. Does have a built-in rear view camera, as well as a slow drop tailgate and a very nice tonneau cover. Up in the driver's seat here, you will notice it does have your cruise control and heated steering wheel controls on the left side of the steering wheel, and your phone controls and navigation controls through your menus on your right. This one does come equipped with the touchscreen that does come with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This one does come equipped with heated front seats, as well as this nice wood grain interior, a wireless phone charger, and a lot of storage space in the center console. In the back seat here, you will notice it does have a nice armrest with cup holders for all the passengers in the back seats. These seats do fold up for extra storage space under the seat. It has a built-in compartment down here, and they also fold down with the back half to make a nice flat level area for storage as well. If you guys are interested in pictures and pricing of this lovely truck, or you want to make it yours, feel free to click the link in the description or give us a call at 780-942-3629.